The Basement Watchdog Alarm sounds when there's an issue with your sump pump, battery, or AC power. Here's how to silence and reset the alarm properly. During emergencies like power outages or heavy rain, some models have a silence switch. This temporarily stops the alarm while the backup pump continues working. Most models have a reset button, typically yellow or red. Press and hold this button to silence the alarm for a set period, often 24 hours. Some newer models feature a single test reset silence button that handles all three functions. Check your model's manual to understand which type you have. Important: if the alarm continues to sound after resetting, investigate the underlying cause before simply resetting it again. The alarm is warning you of a real problem that needs attention. After silencing your Basement Watchdog alarm, the next critical step is identifying what caused it to activate. This troubleshooting process will help prevent future alarms and ensure your system operates reliably. Start by checking the warning lights on your control unit. These lights provide immediate visual feedback about what's wrong with your system. The three most common causes are power failure, pump problems, and battery issues. Let's examine each one systematically. For power failure, your backup pump runs on battery power. Check if your main AC power has been restored and ensure all connections are secure. Pump problems include clogs, debris, or mechanical failure. Test your pump by manually activating the float switch and listen for proper operation. Battery issues are the most common cause of alarms. Check the fluid level in each cell and add distilled water if needed. Clean any corrosion from the terminals. If your battery is more than 3 years old or shows signs of damage, consider replacement. A battery discharge below 25% may need to be replaced. Other issues to check include blown fuses, float switch malfunctions, and clogged or frozen discharge lines. Inspect each component systematically. If problems persist after checking all components, disconnect and reconnect the entire system, then press the reset button. This final step often resolves lingering issues. Regular maintenance and systematic troubleshooting will keep your Basement Watchdog system reliable and prevent most alarm situations. Remember to test your system monthly and keep spare batteries on hand.